No battery lasts forever, and that includes the one in your key fob. But fortunately, replacing it is easier than you think. All you need is a small flat blade screwdriver and a new battery. In this case, a CR2032 3V. First, slide the mechanical latch on the front of the key fob sideways and remove the emergency key. Insert a flat blade screwdriver into the slot between both halves of the fob and carefully pry both sides to open the cover slightly. Using your fingers, separate the outer case. The inner part of the fob contains the battery and may separate from the outer case. Next, use the screwdriver to pry out the old battery. Insert a new battery with the positive pole facing up, then snap both outer halves together. Now, just reinsert the emergency key and you should be all set. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.